Hello, I'm Mohammad Naeem Sardar. I'm a final year mechatronics undergrad at SRM IST. I'm doing this video presentation as a part of my applied robotics curriculum assignment. Let me begin with my presentation. I have chosen the topic of AGV for smart factories. AGVs are nothing but mobile robots. These are mostly employed in industry warehouses, and those things. The main application we can see in this material handling section and the warehouse section. Even it is used in medical care, rehabilitation centers, personal care, and those things as well. But mostly we find this in warehouse and material handling section. The main thing that distinguishes the machinery in the manufacturing system factory and the AGV is the autonomy part. So without autonomy, this robot you're seeing is just another machine, manual machine. What is autonomy? Autonomy is the part where we establish this AGV's ability to operate by itself, everything by itself. That's called because autonomous vehicle, right? So that's why AGV's autonomy part is the main thing that distinguishes AGV with other machines, weight handling machines or forklifts or whatever. The autonomy is the main part that distinguishes. Some of the sensors we can see in the AGVs are like wheel odometers, IMUs, thermal cameras, lidar, radar, ultrasonics, GPS, microphones, and those things. Wheel encoders, we can get a simple odometry without low cost odometry. You can say get the position, speed. IMUs is for acceleration and orientation. Thermal cameras for perception. Lidar for point cloud data like 3D geometry we can perceive easily. Ultrasonics like get the nearby things, what the nearby things are, sense what the things in the close proximity and those things. Microphones are recent research that's going on so that we can add microphones as a sensor to our AGV. And the common type of AGV we found in warehouses are like cart system, towing system, and forklift systems and unit load AGVs. All the pictures you see in the right and the middle, these are unit load AGVs. And the main components when it comes to design of AGV is like vehicle. When I say vehicle, it means a chassis design. There are many chassis designed, like for a cart, there is a separate chassis. For a towing vehicle, there is a separate chassis. For a forklift, there is a separate chassis. And for a unit load, there's a separate chassis. And the guidance system, we have vision-based guidance system. We have a laser-based guidance system. And we have marker-based hundreds of sensors and those things. We rely mostly on this magnetic strips and line strips. That is marker-based sensors. And then we have floor control and traffic management system. This part comes after the establishment of AGV's autonomy. That is after we have identified how this vehicle is going to operate in the particular environment. What are the things that needs to be considered? After this, we have a fleet management. We call fleet management. We have centralized fleet management, and we have other type of fleet management as well. This AGV are mostly equipped in smart factories. When I say smart factories, I mean that the factories that are compliant with Industry 4.0 standards. When I say smart, it means connected, like network. Everything is networked together. When this AGV is not like independently working. It's so independently working, but it's not individually working. It's working alongside with many other connected things like IoT, like internet. Connects is obviously the internet, the private internet of the main plant, and it will certainly connect to the manager. It is connected with the other machines like CNC machines and the cobots working alongside those things, so that if a need arises for the calling of the AGV, all these things call the AGV without the intervention of any manual intervention, like human intervention. Will automatically call AGV. That's why we call it as smart. That's what the meaning of connected and networked and smart means. So that's all about the presentation. I have to give a detailed report on this topic. Thank you.